crane job here. Got the 30 ton set up. Get back here behind it. We got a big red oak dying out. Customer only want to take off what's over the house and leave the rest standing. That's what we're going to do here. Set up here, got a big pine tree behind me coming down. Stay at it here, try to get done the second job of the day. Break the tree, we at it. Big top coming out. Top weighing at 3,000 pounds. Second week of the day. Last pick of the day. Big pine. Ready to pick it at 95 foot. I'll pick the whole tree.